Hello, 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 my amazing, adventurous family, friends, guests coming in for the first time, faithful supporters. Oh, welcome back to Mama Ninja Fast Food Wednesdays. Oh, yes, restaurant style with a twist. Today's recipe is going to be very quick to easily hook up. Have you ever enjoyed having that corn on the cob, sinking your teeth into that fresh, juicy, sweet corn? Guys, yes, I'm going to show you how you can easily hook this up at the comfort of your home. All you need is a cast iron grill pan. If you have a cast iron grill pan in your kitchen right now, guys, run to the store because there is fresh corn all over the place at a very low cost price. I bought this corn, 10 pieces of corn for $2. Okay, so you can feed a whole nation. Nation with this corn. All right, if you have never had roasted corn before, I dare you to give it a try. Roasted fresh corn, you will never go back. It is the best way to have the corn with all the nutrients preserved in the corn, the sweetness, everything is preserved and retained in that corn as you roast it on your cast iron. So guys, all you have to do is peel the leaf of the corn. Make sure you remove all the stick, place it on your lightly greased cast iron pan, and just watch. Stand by, do not leave. Stand by and watch it. In less than 5 minutes, it's gonna start popping, and before you know it is turning dark or golden brown. Then you turn it to the next side. Look at this corn, guys. Doesn't it look just delicious? Popping on the stone grill. So rotate the corn as it gets roasted on the side in contact with the grill pan until all of the circumference of the corn is all fully roasted. Once you have that, guys, as you can see, hey, voila. You are in business for a delicious treat, my dear. Yes, indeed. To finish it up, we are going to drizzle some melted butter with parsley on this corn. So all you need is unsalted butter, 1 to 2 tablespoons, depending on the quantity of corn that you have, and add in either fresh or dry parsley, about half a teaspoon of that, or also 1 teaspoon of parsley into that butter. Put it in your microwave or on the hot water, melt it, and with a brush, just lightly baste that, rub it into the grooves of that corn. Ooh, oh yeah. Ooh, my goodness. Oh man, oh yes, that's what you want to do. Just let it drip, and then dust it in. Oh la la. Just making sure those parsley, adhere to the surfaces of that corn is a game changer, totally game changer, and enhancer to the taste. The corn is already very sweet, and with that buttery kiss, guys, as you bite into that corn, you have that buttery kiss on your lip with that aromatic of the parsley. It is just sweet divine, sweet divine, and it is total transformation. That's all I can say. Who knows where you're gonna end up? Oh love with a corn, oh man, you end up in a good place. That's all I can promise you. Oh my gosh. Guys, I just want to thank you once again for joining me at Mama Niger's Kitchen, roasting corn on the cob. Sweet, sweet, sweet delish. Corn on the cob. Yes. If you have had this experience before, you need to relive it. If you have always wondered, oh my gosh, I used to have street corn at home, but now I don't know how I can get my hands on it. Here you go. You got your answer, guys. Cast iron pan, cast iron grill pan, or just cast iron pan also would do it. You need that cast iron because it has a very high heat retention that will promote the quick turnaround of your roasting. That corn is going to be cooked to the core. My dear, it's going to be cooked to the core in a very short time. And you don't even need all of that heat. The heat, please keep it at medium or even lower than the medium high, because you don't want it to get burned. Yeah, it was a great experience. I just love to have this experience with my family whenever possible, especially when sweet corn is available in the store so easily. Yes, guys, do not miss out. Hook yourself up with some roasted sweet corn and enjoy it. Come back and share with me your experience, your pictures of your roasted corn, so I can showcase it on my page. It was fun having you at Mama Niger's Kitchen as we experience our weekly fast food Wednesdays, restaurant style with a twist. Roasted gourmet specialty corn. Thank you so very much. Please remember to like and share this video. Subscribe if you have not already done so. Let's grow this community. Let's share the love and let's continue to have amazing adventure. Love you all. Thank you. Obulu or Kim before. Bye bye.